More than 5 decades, the former VA hospital in Brecksville healed our nation's heroes.
But for the past couple of years, it's been a frequent target for scrappers and copper thieves. That's what police say happened Sunday night when officers reportedly caught a thief in the act. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg has more from Brecksville.
The former VA hospital here in Brecksville closed in 2011, and there are big plans to have it redeveloped. But until the day comes that all of these buildings are demolished, police are having to keep a close eye on it. On Sunday night, Brecksville police say an officer was patrolling the 103-acre former VA hospital on the lookout for people trespassing or trying to steal copper. That's when officers reportedly found 42-year-old Paul Stanbaugh, who allegedly had several coils of insulated copper wiring in his trunk. Investigators reportedly found 2 more coils, totaling thousands of dollars in the precious metal. He's being held on a $500,000 bond and charges including breaking and entering and theft. Brecksville city officials say they've had to put extra attention on that property ever since the VA moved out 7 years ago. The city has a no-tolerance, no trespassing policy when it comes to that site, and officials say it's for good reason.
It's very dangerous to be on those premises now that there are construction crews. The buildings are in a grave state of disrepair and present significant danger to anybody. Hazardous materials in there that have been exposed to the elements for a period of time. Because of the scrapping activity, there's a lot of voids that would not be detectable.
In addition to scrapping, the expansive property has also been the target of urban explorers and thrill seekers wanting to do paranormal investigations. Stanbaugh has pleaded not guilty. Reporting in Brecksville, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.